Let me get, you gonna get JPP 21, right? Let me get 22.
Yeah, I got you 22.
Huh?
You got 22 through 25. All yours.
I know, let me get, I'm great, walk 22 up. Let me show you. What up? Hey, baby. Man, my bad. Damn. Keep that energy, we need that energy. That's good energy. None of them are available now.
Which one?
The front stage.
All right, I mean, it's whatever.
But do you want to put them on the skybox?
I got a backstage I can put you in, and I got a skybox, full figure group.
All right.
That's it, God?
There you go. He
in charge?
He in charge. Let's go. Hey, I dare you walk by me without speaking. Don't ever walk by me without speaking. I promise I don't like that type of shit.
I didn't see you, dog.
Don't walk by me without speaking.
How you been, man?
Good. How you?
Good?
Yes.
Me and Phil connect, you know, we got the table and all that. Our boy Rasky right here, right? We can ready to do what they do and shut it down. But
Okay.
tell them, you know.
Told you can't get one. They're gonna fire you. You'll get fired if you wear a headliner hoodie out here. You'll get fired.
I wear a shirt all the time. How about that?
Damn, you just admitted that you'll get fired. Come holler at me, man.
I need a 2X, man.
2X, I got you.
Yeah, Old say you need a medium.
You gotta put in the work, man. You gotta put in the work.
That's what it is.
Look at him, he's feeling good, looking good, goddamn. And you went and got them girls from out the line.
Yeah.
So let them rep. That's 23 people right there, man. Or do you gotta tell them they gotta pay for the rest of the people? Come on, man. You might want to shortstop them. Yeah, you want to shortstop that. Hold them. Lou, that's them your folks? Oh, say no more. Say no, Nick, say no more. What's happening?
What's up, boy?
How you? You good?
Hanging in there, man. What's up?
Is this y'all too? Is this y'all? Did you by yourself?
Nah, Dan, you know Dan. I think Dan them got a table.
I know Dan them got a table. What? Y'all want to go outside or what?
Yeah, just trying to make you money.
I know you're trying to make me money. Yeah. Man, fuck y'all.
Yeah, so what they get though?